Question 2. Find the distance between the point 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you know find the distance between the two towns A and B? Discuss in section 7.2. A 0, 0 is equal to x1, y1. B 36, 15 is x2, y2. AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square is equal to x2 36 minus x1 0 bracket square plus y2 15 minus y1 0 bracket square is equal to root 36 minus 0 36 square plus 15 minus 0 15 square is equal to root 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225 is equal to root addition 1 pi 2 1 is equal to root 1 pi 2 1 is 39.